So let's talk about OSINT circle methodologies. OSINT circle methodologies. The OSINT process isn't random searching. It is a structured, repeatable circle designed to ensure that data is relevant, reliable, and actionable. The OSINT circle is based on intelligence principles, but tailored on public information collection. Now, I made mention about 6 stages the other time. So now we want to explain those 6 stages. The first stage is planning and direction. That is, you have to define the scope, the objectives, and constraints of the investigation. You define the scope when you start any investigation. Using OSINT. The first thing is to define the scope, define the objectives. The scope is the how what do I want to do? What do I want to do? And what is the level? What is the amount of information that I'm aiming at? Then objectives is the reason. What are the reasons? What is my aim? What do I want to achieve from this information? Then the constraints are those things, the hurdles that you may be facing that will not allow it to be done easily, or that may not allow it to be done at all. So you have to define those ones before you start, and this one will help you. When you know the scope, you know that you are not just searching randomly or for information, but you have a target. What is my target? Then, apart from defining your target, what is your objectives? What are the reasons? What are those things I want to derive? What are the information that I should get from this? And what are those things that can be a constraint to what I'm doing? Apart from that, okay, you have some questions like this. What is the goal of this work? What is the goal of this investigation? Then what is the time frame? Then every information that we gather into every OSINT, you must have